There we go. All right, everybody, how y'all doing? I'm over here at Touch of Nature Trail. I'll be riding my Salsa Blackthorn 29er. I did bring the e-bike, so I'm wondering if I should just take that and get done quicker. I went ahead and switched out and got my e-bike out. Met a nice gentleman in the parking lot. His name is Evan. I'll try to adjust this a little bit, come up some. We'll see what that does with the image. Yeah, this is my first time over here. Got a nice little breeze. Got a runner up. Thank you. How you doing? So am I going right or left? Let's go this way and see what this is. Green bean. Oh, nice good dip. Getting closer to that lake. Yeah, nice little up and downs. Little rocks. How you doing? I guess I'm going the right way. Met another gentleman out here who's riding. Ryan, nice to meet you. Connector C. Glad I came out here. Took the drive over. And Giant City State Park, which is just south of Carbondale, Illinois. It's a great hiking, nature. They got log cabins you can rent, but they got all kinds of hiking trails back there. We used to come over here and hike a lot. Rock walls, rock climbs, rappelling. Catalyst west, catalyst east. Let's go west. I've been staying to the right, so we'll go to the right. Oh yeah. Lorena, more difficult. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
All right. Let's keep going this way for right now. wide problem. Wide. There we go. Yeah. 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 Yep. There's that creek. Yeah. Ooh, still got my phone. Trail I would like to probably come to more often. Muddy bits. Been working on keeping my eyes up. A little farther than 3 feet in front of me. There's even a whole nother section back across, not the gravel road that I got over to get to Sector C, but you got Sector A and Sector B. Well, I think I did all of B, but A is one I didn't do. All right, now I'm making my way back up.